What's going on, all you droniacs out there? It's been a hot minute since I've taken the drone out, but here we are doing our annual thing, taking some video of the annual pelican migration. You can see a couple flying down over there. Annual pelican migration at Chmbers Grove Park in Duluth, Minnesota. So let's go see what we can see down here. Just got done flying. It's always cool to fly with these birds, mainly because they don't care at all that I'm flying around them. I don't get too close, obviously, but even when I'm flying, they're landing all around me and stuff. So let's see if I can see. There they are out there. There's a couple landing over there. But yeah, it was a fun flight. Lots of people around. There's some people down there taking pictures too, so had to be aware of that. Coming in for a landing gear down. Flew behind the island, so I couldn't see. But yeah, super cool to see these guys coming back every year. And a gorgeous day like this, you cannot complain. But anyway, yeah, so we got some good shots of the birds, got some good shots of Jay Cook State Park. Just a fun flight all around. I'll be posting the video here, main video here shortly, maybe tomorrow, but keep an ay out, do all the fun stuff that us YouTubers like you to do, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. So pay attention for my next drone video, the main drone video of my flight. All right, talk to you later.